Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to filter starred emails from a specific contact on Gmail, right on your Android or iPhone. If you're tired of scrolling endlessly to find those important messages, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iPhone. The steps are nearly identical and super easy to follow. Once you're inside the app, look up to the top left corner and tap the menu icon. You'll recognize it by those three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. A list of folders will appear. Scroll through them and tap on Starred. This section neatly gathers all the emails you've marked with a star, so you can access them much faster. Now, with your starred emails on display, move your attention to the very top of the screen. Tap the search bar. It's sitting right where you'd expect, up top. This is where the magic happens. A row of filter options will appear just below the search bar. Find and tap the button labeled From. You'll now see the option to either pick a contact from your list or type in the person's name or email address directly. Enter the specific contact you're searching for. Instantly, Gmail will filter through your starred emails and show you only the ones from that contact. No more hunting through hundreds of messages. You now have immediate access to the exact emails you need. To recap, open the Gmail app. Tap the menu icon in the top left. Select Starred. Hit the search bar at the top. Tap From and choose or enter your contact. And that's it. You've just learned how to filter starred emails from a specific contact in Gmail, refreshed for the latest app updates. Use this trick whenever you want to streamline your inbox and stay organized. Thanks for watching.